Sahih Al-Bukhari 3343, narrated Ibn Abbas radiyallahu ta'ala anhuma, the Prophet sallallahu alayhi wasallam said, I have been made victorious with As-Saba, i.e. an easterly wind, and the people of Ad were destroyed by Ad, Dubar, i.e. a westerly wind. Sahih Al-Bukhari 3343, narrated Abu Sa'id radiyallahu ta'ala anha, Ali radiyallahu ta'ala anha sent a piece of gold to the Prophet sallallahu alayhi wasallam, who distributed it among 4 persons: Al-Aqra bin Habis Al-Hanzali from the tribe of Mujashi, Uyaina bin Badr Al-Fazari, Zaid al-Tai, who belonged to the tribe of Bani Nahban, and Alqama bin Ulatha al-Amir, who belonged to the tribe of Bani Kilab. So the Quraysh and the Ansar became angry and said, he, i.e. the Prophet, gives the chief of Najd and does not give us. The Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam said, I give them so as to attract their hearts to Islam. Then a man with sunken eyes, prominent checks, a raised forehead, a thick beard, and a shaven head came in front of the Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam and said, be afraid of Allah, O Muhammad. The Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam said, who would obey Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala if I disobeyed him? Is it fair that Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala has trusted all the people of the earth to me, while you do not trust me? Somebody who I think was Khalid bin al-Walid requested the Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam to let him chop that man's head off, but he prevented him. When the man left, the Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam said, among the offspring of this man will be some who will recite the Quran, but the Quran will not reach beyond their throats, i.e. they will recite like parrots and will not understand it nor act on it, and they will range from the religion as an arrow goes through the game's body. They will kill the Muslims but will not disturb the idolaters. If I should live up to their time, I will kill them as the people of Ad were killed, i.e. I will kill all of them. Sahih Al-Bukhari 3345, narrated Abdullah radiyallahu ta'ala anha, I heard the Prophet sallallahu alayhi wasallam reciting Fahal min Mudakhir. See hadith number 557. Like and subscribe my channel for more hadith videos. Allah bless you. Allah Hafiz.